from Jammu and Kashmir. And what about you? Where are you from? Please give me your intro so that I know a bit about yourself. I would like to
Yeah,
know about
yeah,
yourself.
I'm really happy to introduce myself. This is Kavita from Maldives right now, but my native place is Tamil Nadu, and I'm working here as a ICT teacher. It's been
Okay.
1 year here, and my family is living in Tamil Nadu. My husband is in Singapore, and
Mm,
these are all
that's good.
about myself. Do you want more about you? And you are doing a great job, and your fluency is good. I
Oh,
have
thank you
seen
so
some
much
of
for
your videos,
appreciating.
and you have a very cute smile in all your videos.
Oh, thank you. Thank you so much. This type
Yeah,
of, lovely word that you appreciate and it really motivate me.
yeah. And you are so calm and quiet nature, I guess, right? You
Mm,
have the calm and quiet nature.
mm.
So, are you working? Are you working or housewife? You're homemaker.
No, I am not. I am homemaker.
You are a well proud homemaker, right?
Right.
So,
Yeah.
comparing to the working outside, the homemaker job is the toughest job.
Right.
Mm,
Because as a homemaker, you have to do so much work. You're always busy. You
mm,
have to
mm.
keep yourself
And
presence
after
at
doing
every
all the
moment.
chores, we will get the words like, what you are doing, you are simply being in home, right?
Right. These
Mm,
no one, try to give so much attention towards the homemaker. They
mm,
just think that they are doing nothing. They are just, resting
mm,
in home and they don't have any work. So
mm.
people, assume that the homemaker they take homemaker as for granted also.
Yeah.
Everything is good and, fresh air, fresh water. And
Mm,
I really love my place because there is no sign of pollution also. If
mm,
you are in, big city, then you face so many difficulty, like so many challenges. But
mm,
in my place, if I compare, I really love my place and it's really very beautiful place also.
mm.
Yeah,
Okay, so you love your place where you are living.
yeah, I love.
That's too great.
Right, right.
Yeah. So for
Okay,
me,
tell me about.
I
Yeah,
love Tamil Nadu and the culture and the tradition, everything I love. But here it's completely different because it's completely Islamic country, and we cannot follow the religious rules here, as they are having their own rule. And yeah, it's quite good. Actually, I'm not the kind of person who follows the rule so proudly, like our Indian culture or whatever it is. We have our culture in our country, but whenever we are moving to
right,
some other country, we have to follow their rule, right? So I
right.
adopt with the situation and the place wherever I am staying. So I too love the place where I'm staying now, and it's completely bluish, like the sea and the sky with the white clouds and the water. Have you ever seen any pictures or have you ever been to Maldives?
No, I never been in Maldives, but I, saw some video in YouTube where
Mm-mm.
it's very, scenic place and so many people go there for
Yeah, it's the
spend their
honeymoon
quality time
destination.
also.
It's a honeymoon
Yeah,
destination. Yeah, and the
right,
place,
right.
yeah, the resorts, everything looks so beautiful.
Mhm.
It's really pleasant over here. So
Yeah,
wherever
you
we
are.
go, you can see the sea, the water. It's very near to us. It's very to us. If I'm walking like 20 steps, then I can reach the beach now.
Yeah, you are so lucky that you have a
Yeah.
kind of view that you can enjoy every moment of your life right now.
Yeah.
Whenever you want to, like to have to go to beach, you can easily go and
Yeah.
enjoy.
So
your
whenever I
quality
have
time there.
free time, I just go to the beach and simply I look the beach, and I'll make some calls to my husband, my children, my friends. Then they will say you are very I mean, you are
Lucky.
enjoying the nature and you are very close to the beach. So when we want to go in our
Right.
place, we have to spend at least 1.5 hours to reach the Marina Beach in Chennai. But here it's simply
Okay.
20, like 5 minutes walk from here. Yeah.
Yeah, you can enjoy.
Uh,
Whenever you want to go to beach, you can go and enjoy.
yeah.
It's really very nice to hear from your side that you are enjoying
Yeah.
the beach
And
side. Yeah.
tell me something about your tradition. How do you follow the tradition? And Pongal we celebrate as we are from the South India, Tamil Nadu. We
Yeah.
have the culture of celebrating Pongal, and it's like 3 days celebration. We have not 3 days. It's from the before day, like the beginning. I mean the before Pongal day. We say Bohi and Pongal, and the next day is like we say Matu Pongal, which means the celebration for cow and animals, domestic animals.
Okay.
And the next day is for Kanum Pongal, which means for the girls, the young girls. We celebrate with the
Okay.
Pongal. We make the Pongal. You know the recipe Pongal? Do you know?
I heard about this festival, but I didn't know. I don't know what kind of, like food you make that time,
It's
or it's a 3 day celebration. I just
uh,
thought that it's a kind of celebration that you enjoying while having new harvesting season.
yeah,
So I
exactly.
know a little bit about. Yeah.
Exactly, it's the harvesting season, and we are just doing the celebration for praying the God, and it's the thing that we are thanking. We are grateful for the nature and
Yeah.
sun and at the animals, the harvesting people. So we make pongal with the harvested rice, the raw rice, and then jaggery. Um, then we add some ghee, cashew nuts, and cardamom. So we make the pongal and we enjoy it with family. And that's the most
That's nice.
important celebration in our culture. And other thing is, Vinayaka Chaturthi, the Ganesh Chaturthi.
Yeah,
Yeah.
we not celebrate, but like a little bit we enjoy. But I
Mm-mm.
think in South India, like in Maharashtra,
Mm.
are they celebrate the most this festival.
Ah.
You know, I
Yeah.
really love your
Ah.
tradition also, your side, a silk sari, like
Mm.
ladies wear in South Indian, like ladies. And I really love their tradition, their culture also, and how they wear the sari. It's,
Mm.
looks like so nice.
Mm.
So,
Yeah, so I'm from the
yes.
background of Tamil culture, so we follow that. And our famous sweet is like we have a lot of sweets in our place, like alva. Alva is one of the favorite. Tirunelveli alva is one of the famous dish. And uh, we make murukku, which is made of rice. I guess during Diwali we make murukku, adirasam, and coconut barfi, and soji, rava laddu, and something like that. We make Mysore pak is our traditional dish, and we have a lot of sweets. We prepare the vada, the urid dal vada, and dal vada, and also bhaji with banana, onion. So this is how we prepare the fruit. I mean the sweets and everything, and we celebrate with the crackers, lights, and new dresses. We purchase new dress. So when the celebrations are coming, it's completely we have to spend the salary for the celebrations. Okay.
Okay, that's nice. I know the South Indian culture or tradition is so, a kind of what we say ancient or very.
Like the first birthday we celebrate grand, like in a grand manner. But for our birthdays, it's like a surprise birthday. Moreover, like for my husband, I surprise, and for me,
Mm.
sometimes my brother, my husband, they surprise me. So it's normal birthdays. It is not the party birthdays. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. So what are all
And
your
yeah,
hobbies?
the same. Okay, my hobbies are reading books, listening to music, watching movie, playing badminton,
Mm-mm.
and recently the habit of conversing with people.
Mm-mm.
Yeah, so I really love
Yeah, and what are the books you read? Like usually, is it fiction or non-fiction?
non-fiction. I recently started off reading, and I recently, inculcate this habit of reading when I started my journey with YouTube. And
Mm-mm.
mostly I read self-help book like The Power of Subconscious Mind, Think and Grow Richer, The Power of Self-Discipline. So these
Mm-mm.
types of books I am reading right now. So it
Mm.
really, like also, like motivate me also. And I also love to, know about how our mind work, how psychology work.
Mm.
So it really, motivate me when I read these type of the books.
Okay. For coming to
Yeah.
my hobby, I usually spend my time for painting, drawing, and writing some poems, and sometimes very short stories. And whatever comes to my mind, I just record it, and then I post it in YouTube. I have another channel for like in my own like my language, like Tamil language. I have an YouTube channel. So in that I post it. Mm, so that is
Okay.
one of my hobby. I have started
So,
that YouTube channel like more than 6 years ago, but
okay.
I'm not like I'm not making money in that. I don't want to, like, I'm not a person to make money in that platform. I just want to share my feelings in YouTube. If people
Correct.
likes, then let them watch that video.
Okay.
And recently I
Yeah.
have started a video, I mean YouTube channel in the name of Artistic Fantasy English, and there I'm trying to post the videos. So you are the second person I'm just having a chat with you, a video chat.
Okay.
I
But
have
you are
before.
so, I think you are doing so great. Like you have this, second conversation, but you are speaking very well. And I really love I really love to see that you are able to, like connect like emotionally also. And when I started my like a YouTube channel, and I have a video face to face conversation, and I was very uh, nervous. And but you are not like that. You are so comfortable. You are
No,
so
it's
cool
not
and
like
calm.
that. I was like you, like when you, I mean, you are saying you are not seems to be like that, but the thing is, um, when I started my journey, when I started to speak English, I also felt the same, the nervous, the fear, and the panic, everything I had before. But once I started my mind to set, like, I have to speak whatever it is, whether it is wrong or right, I should speak. Whether the people is judging me or not, I'm not going to bother about that. Then I
Yeah.
started to speak English. Then I spend the day and night for learning, and I try to improve myself day by day. And I record. I'm not the person who is recording, like, I mean, who is talking to the mirror. I can speak when
Mhm.
the person is in front of me. So I usually record myself, like my audio, and then I hear it. then I find the mistakes. If I'm doing anything wrong, if my pronunciation, if my accent is wrong, then I would just repeatedly I would record and then I correct myself. And also I had some trainers for, for learning purpose, and then I improved with them. They they point out my mistake and then I corrected it. Now also I'm improving and learning. I'm the teacher, so once a teacher, always a learner. So I'm learning, learning,
Right.
learning. There is no
Yeah.
end for
We are
learning.
all learning. Yeah.
Yeah.
We are learning, improving with these type of conversation and whatever we upload.
Intention of creating videos, but when people are seeing that, when they are finding any mistakes in our speech, then they will just go with the negative comments. So we are ready to face that, and
Right.
maybe because of that we are improving. We are trying to make ourselves like so
Yeah.
better, right?
Yeah. We can learn from our mistake because this is our initial stage, and we have, we have to make a lot of mistake because at initial stage, if we try to be professional every time, we try to sound perfect, then how we
Mm,
can assume that we will, improve?
mm,
Just
mm,
do a lot of mistake and learn from your mistake,
mm,
and over a period of time we will be, good at this language. So my thinking is like that.
mm, mm. Yeah. And
Yeah.
what's your native language? Is that Hindi?
My native language, Dogri.
Okay. So what about Hindi? Do
Yeah.
you know Hindi?
Yeah, I know Hindi. It's a little bit like Punjabi, mix of Hindi, Punjabi,
Mm-mm.
Himachali.
Mm.
So if you can understand Hindi or Punjabi, you can also understand Dogri language.
Mm. No,
Yeah.
I know very little Hindi. It's very long
Okay.
back I learned. So I
Oh,
started improving the language English. Then I thought, okay, first we will learn the language better, and then we can move to the other language. So when we are just doing the language at the same time, then I may get confused. I just want to focus in English language, no other go. So now I have the circumstances, like I'm working in an international school, and here moreover the teachers are from outside country, like they are foreigners, they are native speakers, so they don't understand my language. So anyway I have to speak in English. Whatever I have in my mind, I have to convey them, and if they ask anything,
yeah.
then I have to convey the answer to them. So there is no other go. And also the students from pre-K to all the grades, they speak very fluent English, and they are also from other countries. So it's the chance
Okay.
I got, and I was longing for this opportunity. Like I want to stay in another country and I have to improve my English, my accent. Because when I was learning in the beginning, one trainer, she told me I have the MTI. It is not my mistake. I was in the situation, I was in the circumstances. I don't have any option to talk in English, right? Even though we are studying in English medium school, in college, and wherever we go, even I was working as
Mm.
a teacher, I can't speak English much more. As we have the colleagues in our place, those who speak our native language, right? We are very
Right, right.
comfortable in our native language, so nobody is ready to talk in English. So that's our problem that we faced. So what I uh, took the decision, so I just want to move from the place so that I can create the circumstances. So I did it.
Yeah. And
I have a question. Do you have anything?
yeah, I would like to ask you that if you have to describe yourself in single word, what would you like to say in single word?
Unique.
Okay, unique. That's
Uh,
nice.
so if you are asking
Okay.
the word which starts with my which means my beginning letter of my name, I would say kind. Kavita kind.
Okay, Kavita kind. Yeah, that's
Yeah.
nice.
Yeah. Can you tell
Okay.
me the word which starts with your name letter, the first letter of your name? Yes.
Okay, Swat. Uh, I have to say any name or maybe
Any
like
word which
okay,
describes you with the letter S.
okay, Swati, sovereignty.
That's great. Okay, so we have 10 minutes, last 10 minutes. Okay, so do
Okay.
you have any other questions?